brothers and sisters, do not leave out the Tarawih. Start with the Imam and finish with the Imam. People are leaving after 4 and they're leaving after this. My brother, it's only 29 nights. My brother, it's 30 nights. Billahi alayk, can you not just give Allah those 30 nights or those 29 nights to the fullest? Start with the Imam, Allahu Akbar, and finish with him. And guess what? If you do that, you will get the reward of praying the entire night, even if you go home and sleep after that. But you have to finish with the Imam. And finishing with the Imam does not mean that you leave with the first Imam. There's 2 Imams, one leads the first 4 and then the second one leads the second 4. You can't say, I'm with the first. If he does his first 4, I'm out. No, you finish with the Imam means the Salah, the entire prayer that you pray. Are we all together? From the first to the end, you finish it. If it's 11, if it's more than that, you pray from the beginning.